Pre-season testing is vital for a good start to the season. Z-Car drivers and development team BDS Performance are out at Brands Hatch Indy dialling in the cars. Z1, the Z4 3-litre which I drove around Bedford, has been transformed into a controllable machine which just needs some tweaking before it's setting lightning fast lap times. Callum's newest addition, the Imposter, a Z4 coupe, is being put through its paces. The focus of today is handling, as the drivers take out each car to gather as much information for Bruno, who will then make changes to the cars and send them back out to see how they perform. James, the Z-Car's test driver, has brought the car back in. He gives his analysis to Bruno and then takes some time to watch his lap back to see if there's anything he's missed.
So you can see it best through here a couple of times.
Both cars improved throughout the day, with changeable weather conditions, from a nearly freezing morning to a sunny afternoon and ending the day with rain. Most impressive was the Z3, now owned by Ash, a Z-Car's newcomer. Ash put in lap after lap, battling against the Ginetta towards the end of the day. The Z3 has a BDS air intake system. It revs out to 7,500 RPM and has 170 brake horsepower, which is 30 more than the standard BMW Z3 M44 engine. It's already lighter than the Z4, and this BDS developed race car will be able to battle it out against the 2.2s even more than it did last season. I learnt a lot from being around the team. It was an amazing experience. The BDS Performance team are brilliant and know exactly how to set up these cars to maximum performance. We're looking forward to getting out on track when we can. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you want to see more, then be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.
When